Paying the bills is no one's favorite activity, but Robbins Financial Credit Union gives you the tools to do it easily and on time. We'll show you how to get it set up today. Before you can set up bill pay, you will need to agree to some terms and conditions. Under Products and Services, click Bill Pay. Click Yes to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit. You will now be on the bill pay screen. Next, you'll need to add a payee. To do this, select Continue. Next, select if your payee is a company, a person, or a bank or credit union. In this example, we'll select Company and then Next. Now you'll need to fill out some information about the payee: the name, account number, and zip. Next, you'll fill out the phone, address, the account you will pay from, and any nicknames or notes. After you click Next, you should see the payee listed on your bill pay screen. To make a payment to this company, simply enter the amount you wish to pay. A date of payment will automatically appear, but can be modified as needed. When you're ready, click Pay, and you will then see a confirmation screen. Any payments you have made or scheduled using online bill pay will now show up in the bill pay area of the site. On the right side of the screen, you can see payments that have already been processed under History. Under the heading Pending, you will see any payments that you have scheduled. If you need to cancel a scheduled payment, click the word Edit next to a payment in the pending list. You can then modify the amount or schedule date, or select I would like to stop this payment. You will see a confirmation that you have stopped the payment. And that's all there is to it. With a little planning, you can use our online tools to set up and schedule all of your bill payments and keep track of them in one place. You should also know that you can perform all of these bill pay functionalities from our mobile app by selecting Mobile Bill Pay in the Products and Services menu. Thanks for watching. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.